it's time for my April favorites. Are you ready? First up, my favorite song. Now, whether you're a K-pop fan or not, you've 100% heard this. So I am obsessed with this song. It is really, really addictive, and you guys know I love Blackpink anyways. Jisoo is amazing. Love this song. Up next, we have M.A.C's newest lipstick, Lock Kissed Ink. Now, you guys saw this in my Singapore haul. I actually bought this in Singapore. I have the shade number 70 Hyperbole. It is really, really pretty and pink. And what I love about these lipsticks is they stay. They are very transfer proof and not drying for like a matte lipstick. Like you can see, I've applied it, it's dry on my lips, doesn't transfer onto anything and stays really, really pigmented. But it's also a really thin formulation. So normally with matte lipsticks, you have like a very thick coat on your lips. This is very thin, so I can still feel my lips moving with one coat, but it's very like pigmented and potent. Loving this right now. And I have some more shades in this. They just actually sent me like a PR package with more shades. So very excited to like try those. Do you guys want me to just watch like maybe the few shades that I have? Let me know in the comments. Then we have something for my hair. It's the new, actually it's not new, it's the Aveda Nutriplenish shampoo. They sent me this as a PR and I had used their shampoos years ago and then not used them. Try this. It is actually really, really amazing and nourishing. Like my hair has lately been very dry and very like looking not very healthy and like nourished, to be honest with you, because of excessive washing and just like crazy ironing and a lot of that. And also I'm in between colors, so you can see all the blonde bits that make it really like drier. Like it looks like your yellow hair looks much drier than actually. But with this, I do feel like right now I've washed my hair yesterday with this and I've conditioned it with this, and I've done literally nothing else. And it's sitting really well. It feels soft. So I've been using this for a couple of weeks and I'm really, really liking how it feels. Like my hair feels a lot softer, which with my kind of texture is a bit difficult and nothing's been done to my hair. Like, I'm going to go in for a major makeover soon with my color and cut. But right now, with the way my hair has been, it's been feeling great thanks to this. Favorite movie, Murder Mystery 2. Okay, so Murder Mystery 1 was one of my favorites also. I really, really liked it. This one is again really silly, but I'll tell you why I love it. I love it because it's like Jennifer Aniston and Adam Sandler, and it takes me back to my childhood when we watched Adam Sandler movies and we were like, oh my god, he's so funny, he's so amazing. It kind of made like when I watched together and we almost like felt old watching it and being like, we love this, but we don't know why we love it sometimes. But just for that nostalgia factor, and it's like one of those harmless, movies you would watch on TV and like be entertained and forget about. So yeah, it was nice, enjoyed it, watch it. Up next, this is my gadget favorite, guys. So in this case, I don't know why I have a case anymore because I've already ruined it. I bought a GoPro after many years. So I had the GoPro 3, I think, which was the last GoPro I had. And just few days ago, we bought this, which is the 11 Black. And if you can see it here, there's a dent because we dropped it from the car when we were shooting something with it on day 1. Yes, lucky me. I don't think any other camera would have survived that fall firstly and made it back here to this video. That's why I kind of love the GoPro, but I also love how compact it is. Like it's just such an easy camera to use. Like I had totally forgotten how, you just put it on, everything works seamlessly. So just the way it feels, it's so tiny, like it fits into my hand. Like look at that. Also just the whole fisheye vibe of when you shoot. You know, again, focus, all of those things are not an issue with a GoPro. It just works seamlessly. So that's the best part about it. And I feel like I'm going to be doing a lot more vlogging and like different videos with this. Comment below and tell me if you guys want to see like a full GoPro vlog. We can even do that, like one full vlog just on this, like I used to in the good old days with my 3. But yeah, very excited about this new purchase and not so excited about the dent, but yeah. Up next, we have a notebook, an orange notebook, guys. Yes, I only buy orange things, as you know. This is from Odd Giraffe. I love their notebooks. Now, this is one of my, you know, content idea books. So I write all my video ideas and series ideas and stuff in this. You're not going to see them because they are like top secret, clearly. But yeah, like I love that it's ruled, it's easy to use, and it just is orange. Like I'm going to probably put a lot of stickers on this and decorate it, but like for while it's new, I like to leave it for a bit and be like, okay, yeah, let me just see the orangeness. Got this from Odd Giraffe. I ordered a bunch of these. This is for my like notes. I love to use their diaries. Like I feel like they're really like a good size. They last me about like a few months and they're easy to carry and easy to write in. Love this. Local favorite of the month is Rafu'D. Now, they are a new local brand that I've discovered. Love their stuff. I have this really pretty dress from them that I wore recently and everybody was like, oh wow, I love that. Also have this beautiful corset, which I haven't worn yet outside, but it's so cool. I love the mirror work detailing with, you know, everything else on it. And it's just really cool. So yeah, they have some fun stuff. I always love to find new, you know, local brands that do clothes because I feel like everything is unique and different, and that's what I love about them. Like it's such a nice mix of color, you know, like a fusion of styles, and yeah, really like this. Favorite moment. Okay, my favorite moment was getting my Malaysia visa. You guys are watching this when I'm probably already there. Yeah, so I just got my visa a few days ago, and it's been a process to like get a visa. I think it's always a process for any like visa, right? As Indians, we always like visa milega ki nahi milega. Like that is a big question. And that moment, so I am going on a really long epic work trip for like 2 long weeks. So yeah, this visa was very important. And like when I got that email and I was like, oh, you know what I mean? You've been there, you felt that. Super excited about this trip. And yeah, that was definitely my favorite moment of the month. Next month, the favorite moment will be in Malaysia. Let's talk about my favorite shows. Okay, first up on Netflix, Love is Blind season and the reunion. I have only one question for Netflix. Where do you find these people? Because season after season, we get all these complicated like personalities and you're almost like, is it going to work? Is it not going to work? What's going to happen at the reunion? Are they going to show us like footage that we haven't seen? Who's going to be the villain? The reunion was quite intense this time. And I just feel like this is a show that, you know, you keep like, I keep coming back to. Like, who was your favorite from this season, guys? Beef. Okay, so what an epic show. I can't tell you, I've binge watched the whole show in literally, I think, 2 nights. I started watching it on my flight back from Delhi, and then I just couldn't stop. Came back and then after that, finished it. Amazing. Everybody must watch it, and it's just such a fab show. Seema Auntie is back with a new season of Indian matchmaking, which we like hate watch as usual. I love watching it just to be like, oh my god, what's happening? Oh my god, is this legit? Is this? And how many people are going to be told that they need to compromise and they need to whatever else get 70% in their partner? And yeah, I really enjoyed the show. Honestly, I love watching it, and I feel like for me, reality shows, as you know, are my weakness. So Indian matchmaking is still amazing. Check it out. Also, this time they're going to like London, New York, sab jagah, so it's pretty cool. Then we have American Manhunt, the Boston marathon bombing, you know, docu-reality show. I feel like this whole genre of docu-reality is so amazing because I remember when this happened, we obviously watched like the news and stuff, but there wasn't enough information, right? Now, when you actually kind of like see this, you're like, wow, there's like all this info and you like dive deep into like the, you know, psyche of the person and why they did it and how they did it and so on. And it's really, really interesting, especially if you're into like true crime and stuff like that. Really, really enjoyed this one. And also it was kind of like daunting and scary to be like, wow, this could happen at a marathon, and it's so sad that like people have lost their lives and you wouldn't even think like over what, you know, like. Then we have Love to Hate You, which was the K-drama I was watching. Finished it. It is a fully wholesome K-drama, really, really sweet. It is also quite progressive, I must tell you. Like, I love how they've kind of shown the female lead in this one. I'm not going to give you a lot of details, but it's refreshing to see and watch it. Then on Amazon Prime, we have Marvellous Mrs Maisel, who's back. I feel like I think this is the final season, but it's still so good. Like, I wish they wouldn't stop the show because it's just always on point. Like, I've watched 3 episodes so far and it's just seamless, you know, like you're like, oh yes, it doesn't feel repetitive, it doesn't feel boring. It's amazing. Jinny's Kitchen, still watching. So it's become my lunchtime show because I feel like every time I watch it, I feel hungry because they are like, it's this Korean reality show where they're running a kitchen in Mexico. So it's become my lunchtime binge. When I eat my lunch for those 20 minutes, I watch it. So I'm slowly getting through it, but I think I'll finish it this month. But it's been really, really fun as a reality show that's different. Then we have Succession, which is on HBO. That's where I watched it. And it is amazing. New season is crazy. I can't give you spoilers. I wish I could discuss this with someone and be like, oh my God, did you watch that? But it's just like edge of the seat kind of action, and every Sunday I'm like, where's the new episode? It's amazing. Then on Apple TV, we have the Boris Becker documentary. I think it's called Boom Boom, The World versus Boris Becker. Again, really interesting. I feel like sports documentaries again are really big right now, and they're really, really interesting. This one is pretty cool. Check it out. So guys, those were my April favorites. I feel like I loved a lot of stuff this month. I didn't watch that many shows because I was really busy, but yeah, lots of stuff. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Also comment below with your favorites from the month. Shows, beauty items, food items, literally anything, moments. What was your favorite moment of the month? Comment below. See you guys. Bye.